When working with one of our Festool machines, such as the Rotex RO150, you can produce a huge amount of dust. And this dust needs to go somewhere. And the best place for it to go is into one of our Festool extractors, rather than into you. Hi, I'm Phil from Festool, and these are just some of the extractors within our range. So if I'm working in a small, tight environment, I could work with an L-class Mini and a Midi, for example. These have a really small footprint, but have large capacity. And of course, the big advantage with Festool is that we have this system approach, and I can stack a sustainer on top of the extractor, and then I also have a big advantage with mobility as well. On occasions though, it's necessary to use an M-class extractor. And with an M-class extractor, well, on the front here, there's 3 dials. So for site work in 110 volt, this is the one to go for. If I'm working with concrete, I may be grinding the material or maybe cutting the material, then the CTM 36EAC HD is the one to use. And because we have this auto clean function with this extractor, the filter is cleaned every 10 seconds. It then means that the extractor takes a breath and we can work in a really clean way, knowing that all the dust is taken away. But on occasions, it's also necessary to work with other materials, asbestos for example. And within our range, we have the H-class extractor. If you're working with drywall material, we have the Planex extractor. The big advantage with this machine is that we have the auto clean function. We also have this black hose with the machine, so while you're working backwards, the hose curls up behind you and we can store the machine on top. But of course, for smaller repair jobs, it means we can work with the CTL SYS. So I can very quickly go in, carry out the repair, but the big advantage is I have this extractor with me. So in working with some applications, it's necessary to use an extractor with a larger capacity. Our machines come with a 27mm hose, but if you want to increase the airflow into the machine, it means that we can use a 36mm hose onto the machine. Therefore, my cubic feet a minute or my airflow increases and my extraction is again further improved. So, working with a range of Festool extractors means you can work in a really clean, healthy and efficient way.